Nigerians, make I not begin to talk, ladies and gentlemen, Nigerians, in fact, Nigerian musicians, P-Man, all the associations of Nigerians, we are about to lose somebody where we should not afford to lose. Ukwa, the Yoruba musician, will revolutionize Yoruba music. If you not listen, those where they listen to Yoruba music at that time, me they listen to me as I'm not complacent member. Now so good to sing and for moto. This Okpa music, that was how I came in contact with him. Please, there's an appeal fund. Sean Bebe, the son, is trying to raise fund. This man has a problem, a kidney problem, and we're raising fund for him. Every musician should please try. Not only musicians, actors. What if anybody who wants to support, who loves indigenous music, particularly Yoruba music, should donate. The song, Shobebe, which you people know, is raising fund. I think he has this in Access Bank. It will reach you. If you just stick to social media, you will get all the account where you have to. This man, we cannot afford to lose him now. Because as it is now, he is still very, very energetic and he is giving. Please donate, support in whatever form you can so that we can save Okpa.